Alright guys, I'm here at Bennett Field, Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the first time I've ever been here. There's nobody here right now, except for a truck over there. Winds are kind of shitty. They're not going this runway runs east-west, but the winds are coming, I think, from the, let me see, from the southeast. So I'm going to go over here and give myself plenty of room. This thing doesn't need much room to take off. So I'm going to taxi out. I don't like how that... Why is it up so high? I don't know. Fuck. There's a fucking crack in the thing that stopped me. That's funny. It's a pretty big crack. I guess my gear's too small. Alright guys. Alright, I got my throttle. That's my crow brake. I won't need crow brake with this shit. Pretty windy. This is just a Maiden. May or may not bring the gear depending on how things go. Here we go. Gotta set my timer for 4 minutes. And I don't even think I'm supposed to be standing on the runway, but there's no one else out here, so I'll be alright. Here we go. Timer's going. Alright, gear up. A little windy. A little touchy on the ailerons too. I think my gear door's stuck down too. No, I don't think it is. Maybe it is. Yeah, it is stuck down. That gear door is stuck down. Alright, gear down. Ah! That was just my bombs. That's funny as hell. There we go. That was 30 seconds. Wow, it was windy. Broke something. So I got 1, 2, 3. So I got 4 of these. Yeah, I got them everything. That was crazy. Alright, I'll save my gear. My lights came on. Ugh. I broke my gear door. Ugh. Really windy today. Ugh. I did break my gear door. Or did I break her? I'll fix it. It was sticking down anyway. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. No more gear door. Alright.